know, when you're going across the facade of the home and at night you see a dark spot, that's not what you wanted in your painting. So you got to use your brush and paint it. So when I'm doing a design, in my process as I'm walking across that facade of the house, in my head I'm thinking every 4 to 6 feet apart is what's going to give me that wash. Some guys will go, you know, 6 to 8 feet, right? It's all in what their design capability is, or their palette, or the picture that they're wanting to paint. As we talk about design, okay, a lot of these guys think that when they're uplighting the tree, they put the light right up here, right? Oh, well, we're lighting the trunk, and we're going to, you know, try to light all the way up through that. You're not getting the beam, you're not taking advantage of the full beam spread, okay? The best visual view that you're going to get, and the best impact of the overall light is take a look at the tree, figure out what the scale is. You want to light that canopy, that's the main feature. Your residual light, whether it's right up on the trunk, or it's 36 inches away or 48 inches away, you're going to get reflective light on that trunk. The trunk is not the main feature. It's a prominent feature, right? Sometimes we do want to highlight, like this paper bark. Yeah, we want to highlight that. But in this application, there is no need to go right up on there, because then you're not going to get everything that you need out of the canopy, okay? So think about that when you're designing and you're walking around. Think about what the overall canopy is and what you want that light to achieve. We talked about the different sections of the house. We want those different walls to be, you know, the same color. So when we think about Christmas, we want the bedroom wall to be red, as opposed to red, green, red, green, red, green. We're doing it by a wall section of the house. So bedroom, dining room, front entry, office, garage. Next thing that we got to do is we got to talk about how we want to group things. That's how we're going to set up our themes. But along the front of this facade, we're going to give him that ultimate control, group those fixtures. So when we talk about, you know, as we walk up to the front portion of the house and we look at it, we're going to see the garage wall. Remember, we said we want an even wash across that facade. Well, that's part of the facade. When you're walking up to the front door, you see that garage wall. So when we set up our theme, that light is never going to have to operate at 100%. We can operate on every theme with that guy at 50%, okay? And then we can incrementally adjust it down as we talk about, you know, the dark theme or bedtime theme, things like that.